Hello folks, if you're on there, my name is James Aidu and welcome to today's daily vlog. It is Tuesday, the rest of the day will be in the description down below. And it is 08:25. There you go. So today it is. Let's put this up. There you go. Yeah. So today it is a JC. Then and then that'd be a chef until 5. Walk home and then chill out for a bit and then the computer. I may go on this small computer today. I'll do that next week. Do it about every 2 weekish. It's mainly for the editing videos and sorting videos out. So yeah. So the thing I want to say, do you want me? I've really probably mentioned this before in one of the previous vlogs, but do you want me to tell you where we are supposed to be going? Since last Saturday to this coming Saturday. You want me to tell you? You'll get it right. Gets a shout out, and it was this is what we're gonna do. Don't worry, I'll probably forget. Who gets it right, bagged on the money, you'll get a shout out. And if you do YouTube, if you do video game gaming videos, reviews, travel, football, or anything like that, I'll give you a mention and your channel will be in the description down below, so you can have a little practice on an upcoming subscriber count. So far I haven't even got to my next, what will be 500 subscribers. But anyways, but if you get close for the let's say the county, for example, I am not going to this area. Let's say if we go to Somerset, my head. Whoever says my head will get a shout out and the channel name, channel links in the description for getting it on the money. But if you say Somerset, then you will just get a normal shout out. Your channel won't be mentioned unless you get it spot on. And if anyone's going to put in the comments now, Somerset or my head, don't bother. That's where I wasn't going, but I wish I can go there. Probably in the future when 808 returns, and hopefully 809 will be there as well. I can get them both in one day, I hope. Well, I got 808 or 53808 up at Keithley, but that's a different story. If you want me to tell it, let me know in the comments. So yeah. But on that being said, I'll explain more later on. So I can have a quick cup of tea, make my sandwiches up, and then probably walk it or get the tram. I may get tram, as it will be slightly quicker, and I guess it does take quicker, and go from there. But not, I'll catch you all in a bit. So enjoy your Tuesday.
Hello, welcome to, Tuesday, 10th of May.
Alrighty folks, it's going to be a very, very quick one. Especially what time it is. I can turn my phone off charge because it's almost full. And I've already transferred everything what I need transferring over. It is 22:43. The time. There you go. Something will work with that. Got my coffee or tea, yeah, right for me. Cup. I'm just hoping that someone won't call me between now and when I've actually ended the vlog. The reason why I am ending the vlog because I was actually listening to Sheffield United versus Nottingham Forest at the, I think it's the City, is it the City ground? I think it's on the City ground. While I open some Jaffa cakes. No, not Jaffa cakes. Custard cream. To dunk in my tea. Yeah. So, other things happened. Being in the job centre, being at work, finished at 5, home. Walked home, chilled, YouTube, suppose jungle. So, what I'll say then for later. For custard cream with my tea. So, keep out of it. Basically, normal things are got up, started a vlog, went downstairs, did I have a cup of tea? I think I've had a cup of tea, can't remember. Then set off, got the tram down, filmed the tram, walked towards job centre, well I sat outside for a bit because I'm early, then went into job centre, do what I need to do there, come back out, gone over to VHF, got there about 9:45, started my shift there. From there I had my lunch first and then afterwards the other volunteer went for their lunch at around 1 o'clock, and then I was back on the shop floor since then, where I've done the other odd job upstairs and etc. So it's been quite busy with what's been going on today. So yeah, have another biscuit to dunk without it breaking off. So yeah. What else to mention? Finished at 5, walked back, chilled, as I've mentioned, Then went on computer. Dear me. Be a second. Ooh. Try that one. Then went to see how my mum is. Get back here, on computer. Did my YouTube catch up, as I'm currently doing right now, and listen to Sheffield United versus Nottingham Forest semi-final. Well, playoff semi-finals on the Sheffield United away, or Sheffield United away podcast, etc. So yeah, and it's now official. Sheffield United will be in the Sky Bet Championship again next season. And Sheffield Wednesday will be in Sky Bet League 1 next season. So basically, me, for next season, I will be doing Sheffield Wednesday next season and Sky Bet League 2. Oh, basically, Sky Bet League 1, Sky Bet League 2, and Chris will be doing the Premier League and the Sky Bet Championship. So whatever happens, me and Grace will have a Sheffield club in their team. But I do want a Sheffield Wednesday shirt to go with the Sheffield Wednesday theme. I've still got the Sheffield United shirts. I will wear them on when I do that league and vice versa. And see how that season goes. Yeah. And then ending the video now. After they went into penalty shootout. What wasn't very good. But anyways, I'm going to get on so I can actually end this. Get it uploaded. Editing, render, upload onto YouTube, but don't add information onto tomorrow probably. And etc. So yes, thank you so much for watching. If you're new, my name is James. How you do? Everything you need to know is in the description down below. That's information about today, last vlog, social medias, other channels, and the 5 steps we can take. So please subscribe, like, comment, put the notification bell notified when I upload. I'll see you all tomorrow for another day of the vlog. Some beer, I would do. Bye bye.